Hello everyone, and in this video we will talk about why and how 90 to 95% of retail traders lose money from trading. This is going to be a once and for all educational video here on our channel, just to explain certain things and hopefully help some people understand what they are doing wrong and put them in the right track. So as you can see from the title, we will see exactly why over the year or so 90 to 95% of retail traders lose money. Some things they are following which they are not the right education. For example, we will talk about the fake trading on prop firms, the risk management and certain things, as well as the wrong psychology and poor lifestyle decisions that, believe it or not, they have an impact in the trading decisions. So we will begin with understanding the data. What do we mean by the data? If you go to any broker's website, you will see a percentage of traders that lose money. This data is not definitive, which means that it's not, it's for a certain period of time, it's not for the year or years. This data is being revised every quarter, so it means every 3 months this report and percentage is being updated. The reality is that within the year or so, the real data is 90 to 95% of the retail traders lose money. And as you can see from the article here, which was posted January 6, 2024, if you check, the average is 70 to 90% on each broker's website, and here are some examples from certain brokers as well. So over the years, okay, the figure is really 90 to 95%. The data on the brokers, once more, is a quarterly data. It's being revised and updated every 3 months. Okay, so let's see why this is the case. First of all, we need to see the approach and the mindset of the people when they go into trading. For example, the biggest mistake is having a short-term mindset, looking for an overnight success or quick profits, which this will never happen. It's a process, so you're not going to have every trade winning trade. And also the next one is over risking and over leveraging accounts. Certain people, they open high leveraged accounts. They don't understand how to calculate their position. And this basically has a negative impact into the way the risk management of the trader is implemented, and also because of the high leverage, they tend to open bigger positions thinking they can afford it, which in reality they are simply adding into the fact that it actually helps with them losing faster. Then, of course, we have the wrong expectations, which most of the people are watching or following fake forex traders or educators. They follow certain content which has nothing to do with the real market nature. Also, they follow these fake traders. They will tell you they win 80 to 90% accuracy on the trades, which is, of course, is wrong. Nobody in realistic trading achieves 80 to 90% of winning trades. And of course, they do not understand risk to reward value and risks in trading. The other thing is many people are believing or hoping for the market to move in the direction they want, and they don't look at the real market nature and what really drives the move. Then, of course, some people are not suitable for trading. For example, there are certain people that are financially incapable to hold a proper trading account, and also emotional instability. So this type of people, they shouldn't be really trading. If you don't have extra finances to finance your trading accounts, you should never risk your personal life or family's funds, because they depend on you, and you should never risk them in the market. And a few other things, we can see that many people are sometimes get greedy. Sometimes they are fearful to enter in good trades, and also the fear of missing out. At the end of the day, the market will always give opportunities to the patient people, and you should never feel the fear of missing out, because this is really dangerous over the long term. Now, I would like to point out a little bit on the delusion of prop firms, because many people, unfortunately, these days, they really believe that a company is going to give them real money for trading, which in reality, everything is actually fake. They give you those demo accounts that you trade on. They set up, obviously, the rules. Their main revenue stream is on the 95% fail rate. They are unregulated, of course. And they create intentional rules to make it much easier to fail. I mean, trading is already kind of challenging itself. So if you add certain rules, you even make it more challenging, and you make it easier for the people to actually fail those type of challenges, of course. That's how they operate, and this is how they make their revenue from the registration fees only. And of course, no real funds trading. At the end of the day, nobody's going to give you money to a stranger to trade their real funds and to risk them in trading. I hope that makes sense. Now, for the ones that there is a small percentage that succeed in a couple of challenges, some of them at some point they can get banned, suspended, or they will try to convert them into influencers to attract more clients so they can earn more from the registration fees. Believe it or not, that's the reality of the prop firm business at this stage. And then we will go to the lack of good analysis and no strategy in the market, which affects most of the retail traders. Of course, we need to have a proper trading strategy which takes into consideration the risk to reward, the value, entries, stops, and targets. Because if we don't know why and when we enter the market, which is our point of exit in the stop loss, and which is our target, it means we are blindly trading, and over the long run is going to fail eventually. Also, another thing is most traders, they take profits very quickly, very early, when they are in good trades in certain scenarios. And when they are not in good trades and they are in drawdown, they let those losses get bigger, and they don't use proper stop losses and risk management, which of course comes through the right education and understanding the market, right? Also, they are not able to accept losses. They don't understand that losses are part of trading, and they try to fight the market, and this is what really destroys them over the long term. And they are not able to generate good trading ideas or allocation of trading setups. And this actually has an even worse impact, because if you are not able to generate good trading ideas, it means over the long run, most of your ideas that you come in mind is going to fail. And at the end of the day, everybody should learn the waters before they try to swim. So that's the main thing. Also, another important aspect is that some people believe there is a magic wand, or there is something that is secret formula for success, which doesn't exist. And of course, the access to the same information. What do we mean by that? First of all, about the magic wand, some people believe there is a magic indicator or a way they can win every trade, okay, which obviously doesn't exist. The majority of indicators, they are lagging. They cannot be reliable themselves. Everything needs to be combined with more factors and understanding the market as a whole to connect the dots. And majority of retail traders at the end of the day think about this. We all have access. I mean, everybody has access in the internet, the free information. Okay, everybody has access to the same information. So why then you have 90 to 95% fail rate, right? If everybody has access to the same information. So of course, the real information and the education is not for free online. You will not find it for free online. You need to follow a professional or a service that can really show you based on experience how things work, rather than looking at the free information online, which most of it is just created not to serve the best interest of the retail traders, and obviously entering the market at the wrong timing or direction or pricing. Now, at the end, we will catch a bit about the solutions for those that really want, of course. At the end of the day, like I said before, is not for everyone trading. So for those that really want to get the right education, again, you need to learn from an industry professional with experience. Understanding that the free information or free content will not lead to success because everybody has access to that information, and you've seen that the percentages are very high in terms of the failing rate. Also, do not follow the crowd. You have to be unique if you are looking to succeed in trading, because if you follow the crowd, you already know that 90 to 95% are losing over the course of the year or so. Also, you need to learn how to generate good trading ideas, learn to be strategic, and be able to plan ahead. Because if you cannot plan ahead, it means you are looking at the market blindly, and eventually, over the long run, the market is going to punish you like most of the traders. Also, the need to be objective, allow yourself to get the proper education, and then leave the rest up to the market. Opportunities always present themselves. This is very important to understand. So it's up to the trader to spot them. So if you miss an opportunity, it doesn't mean anything. It's not the end of the world. The market is going always to give you another chance to enter at a different instrument or market at the right time. So you should not force yourself into bad positions. Okay. So overall, that's what I wanted to cover up in this Wednesday's educational video. So hopefully it makes sense for everyone. Okay. If you guys have any questions, you can email us at support@roiforecast.com. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and we will be happy if we can help you out and help you understand the mistakes and turn you into give you the right education and turn you into a long-term profitable trader down the line. So with that note, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe as well if you are new to the channel. And we will see you on Sunday with the weekend's Forex market forecast and take it from there. Have a good rest of your week. Bye-bye.